about a man who's grown over the years. With every single story and every single movie that he makes, Akshay Kumar gets better. And Airlift, I think personally, he couldn't have got better than this. He underplays the character. There's a certain minimalistic nature to how his act is played out. He of course plays a very rich man from whom everything is taken away by the Iraqi conflict in Kuwait. And then he finds himself on the road literally. And that is something that appeals to almost everybody. And how he becomes a hero thereafter. It is his story from frame 1 to frame 100. Yes, Nimrit Kaur is also there, but just barely there. She's got one great scene where she actually stands up for Akshay Kumar against one of the refugees who wants to go home. But other than that, I think that it's being directed very well. A story that had me at the edge of my seat from frame 1, except for a little bit of belly dancing in the middle, but from frame 1 to frame 100, it does tell the story well. Well, this might be fictitious, I do not know. It's about two gentlemen who got together and banded the Kuwaitis together and took them out, and how the Indian government and Air India and everybody helped. One thing that, yes, does make a point to me is that in the movie, of course, it seems as if the Indian government is, as usual, sitting on the seat. But in reality, I believe it was not as bad as that. But anyways, that's not what I'm talking about here. What I am talking about here is that Indian cinema is coming of age. We are looking at stories to tell. We are looking at superstars who go beyond roaming around trees and bashing up people and jumping off buses and picking up pumps in their hand and doing the unmentionable. We are looking at strong screenplay, at strong cinematography, at strong camera work. Camera work needs special mention here. Priya Seth, she certainly deserves a word of credit here. I think she's done her camera work really well. It's stark, it's real, and though you know there's a budget around, but it really doesn't get in the way of telling the story. So, it's Akshay Kumar. First off, a great job, just like Baby last year. He's done it all over again. He's getting better with time. Nimrit Kaur in the movie, she might not have a very big part, but whatever she does it ably and is able to stand up. As far as Raja Menon is concerned, well, he has done a great job. An amazing direction. He's done it really, really well. And, well, if this story were to go out of India just for a few cuts, I think it would make a great job. The things that don't hold up. One, the Iraqi general, Inam ul-Haq. Well, why did we need the accent? We really didn't. The belly dancing song in the beginning, I think we could have done without. And overall, at times, it feels to me that Akshay Kumar has actually overtaken the story with his presence. Because this must have been a story of many people who got together. A great operation that had awesomely cool logistics and human stories within the story that sometimes did not come out. At times they really came out well, but sometimes did not. So all in all, a great effort. I love where cinema is going. How much would I give it? I'd give it 3 patakas. And I think go watch it this weekend. But before you go watch it this weekend, find out who Sunny Mathew and Mr. Vedi are. They are the fulcrum of where the story is going. On that note, of course, I'll sign off. What do you need to do for regular updates of news, reviews, and all the stuff that's happening in Bollywood? Subscribe to me, please. And we'll see you next weekend on the reviews.